Once upon a time, there was a man named Jack who was always fascinated by the stock market. He would spend hours studying charts and analyzing stock prices, always on the lookout for the next big opportunity. One day, Jack discovered options trading, a way to make money by buying and selling contracts that give the owner the right, but not the obligation, to buy or sell an asset at a predetermined price. Excited by the potential profits, Jack dove headfirst into options trading. He spent days reading up on the topic, learning about different strategies and techniques. After some practice with paper trading, Jack felt confident enough to start investing real money. He began by buying call options, which give the owner the right to buy an underlying stock at a specific price, hoping to profit from an increase in the stock price. At first, things went well. Jack's trades were profitable, and he felt like he had finally found his calling. However, he soon realized that options trading was much more complicated than he initially thought. He had to learn about the concept of time decay, where options lose value as the expiration date approaches. He also had to be careful not to invest too much money in any single trade, as options trading can be quite risky. Despite the challenges, Jack persevered. He learned how to read the market and adjust his trades accordingly. He began to use more advanced strategies, like selling options to collect premiums and hedging his positions to reduce risk. Over time, Jack became quite successful at options trading. He was able to make consistent profits and even quit his day job to trade full-time. He was living his dream of making a living from the stock market. However, Jack never forgot the risks involved in options trading. He knew that every trade could potentially wipe out his profits, and that he had to be careful and disciplined in his approach. In the end, Jack realized that options trading was not for everyone. It required a lot of time, effort, and discipline, but for those who were willing to put in the work, the rewards could be great.